Hi, this is Terry. I hope you're doing great tonight. I just wanted to show you how to get access to the Charlotte Mecklenburg Library digital version. So in case you didn't know, everyone that works for Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools, including the students, teachers, everyone, the security guards, the cafeteria workers, um, everyone. So how you access your account is you click on account. Your account is going to be your 8-digit state code. If you don't know that, if you log on to NC Cloud, it's that big long number that you log on with. If you don't, you can actually go to my CMS. You can go to access um, your accounts from home. And then when you log on to that, you can go to get your CMS ID number or your state ID number and your CMS ID number. The long digit, that is your state ID code. I keep getting mine mixed up today. So, in your PIN number is the last 4 digits of this code. It is not your home phone number or your student's birthday. So, you're going to click Remember on Device. One thing to know is you're going to use this probably on your phone or your Kindle or your iPad, and you're going to want to download the app from Charmec Library, and then you're going to log on. There's going to be lots of different apps that you can access through this. And of course, this is on your laptop, and if you have one of the laptops that fold in half and all that, great. But I'm just doing this here. I've actually never logged on from the desktop before today. So you're gonna, and I'm gonna say yes. Remember it, because who knows, I might. So this main library page, this is how it started many years ago, and I actually never check out books from this page. A long time ago, when Dylan was a freshman, he wanted to get a book called The Reaper, and I couldn't find it and get it in time for him to do his project, so we did download it from the library. But other than that, I said I wanted to read this Abduction 18 at some point and saved that when I was trying out different features one time. So, but most often I find that the different apps, you can look under ebooks and stuff, but if you go to resources, this is where you're going to find all the different launching access. I noticed that my very favorite digital app that they use is not on here. My favorite ones are RB Digital, to look at magazines, newspapers, and audiobooks. Hoopla for movies, music, audiobooks, and ebooks, because I can put those on my Kindle. And then what else do I? So I have everything here on my phone, and I actually have a entire little block dedicated to Hoopla, Libby, OneDrive, and RB Digital are my favorites. And so, and they used to have High Books here, and it was a free, but anyway, they quit using that one. And of course, they have Kindle books you can save to your Kindle or your Apple Books. So um, you'll see that in a minute. So here's the general e-library. And then if you are doing research, it's a phenomenal way to research. And you can also tap into different universities from here. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to actually find one of the ones I use the most. I think I use Overdrive. Let's see who I am currently reading from. I don't know where your phone is. I'll have to start over, guys. Sorry. So, Hoopla is where I'm reading my story today. So I'm going to come over to Hoopla and put access now. And it has like these little um, things that tell you that uh, hmm, usually it just brings you up to sign in, and you're signed in. So that's a glitch. You would definitely need to call the library if that happened to you. Um, let's go back over here. So Overdrive actually pops in and asks you to put your ID card in. You put again CMS. Let's see here. Having trouble remembering my number today. As many times as I type it in. Crazy, huh? And this will show you your account for your loans. You don't currently have anything checked out. You can look at your history. See, sometimes I can't remember if I've read a book that has similar titles. Obviously, this is one that I listen to. These are books I listen to in the car. You can rate them, wish them. You can put holds on. Um, and so that's a pretty cool feature. And again, that was Overdrive. Let's go back and figure out if we can figure out RB, which is like one of my favorites. Mine work, but again, I've had mine for so long. I don't know what you guys would experience, and so it's easier if I kind of just um, do it with you. And again, please don't steal my password. It says user not found. DMS 629. Is checking for me. Unable to find user. So let's find out what's going on. Yeah, so you got to register. I was pretty sure I was. Oh, uh, oh Lord. I am sure enough having trouble remembering this number tonight. So I better use my official name since this is my CMS account that I'm using my books on. So yeah, I wouldn't check out anything inappropriate for like, you know, oh Lord. Oh, this ID already exists. Well, that's because I already have an account. Um, and so never had to put in a password before, so okay, so evidently when you create your CMS account, it gives you a username. You have to put in a password, even though you never use that to log in. That's evidently how these apps log you in. And it's just been so long, I don't remember. Um, so again, this is so cool. I listen to a lot of audiobooks, um, a lot of ebooks. Again, you can use these on your phone. You can have them sent to your Kindle. Um, pretty awesome. Um, and then, but it's my favorite for audio. Magazines, I really enjoy their magazines too. I'll show you in a second what I've checked out so far here, this app. Oh yeah, so I think this only shows you what I've currently checked out. The last week I was, you know, reading all the books and the gossip, a lot of country living, beautiful house, trying to get inspired to make some things pretty, as we've lived in this new house for almost a year. And then I think you can see your account history, like your history over here. And again, I read lots and lots of just probably my mom would say garbage. And then of course they have educational um, activities. Hold on. And this is where you can get do yourself legal if you need a will um, or power of attorney or some other document. You can check this legal book out. So let's go back to the other apps. So RB is pretty awesome. So let's go back to one that we were having trouble with, and it has my book on it right now. Let's find Hoopla. Yeah, where's it at? Don't want to really learn more, do we? We want to just go there, Liddy. Sorry, like I know I'm probably getting on my own nerves. So, but I just wanted to show you like it's normal not to know everything. Um, no, I don't know that I want you to come get me. Let's see here. Let's see. It says, do you remember your email? So I tried to do this earlier and log in here with my email. And so this email didn't have an account. But then when I tried to go on and put my register, so I'll just show you what happened. It said I already had an account. So I'm not sure. I already have an account. Log in. I do. It says it doesn't recognize this email, but then when I put my card number in, it's like, oh, you're already registered.